Did you know most cyber attacks exploit weaknesses that already have fixes available? The problem isn't always new threats, it's outdated systems. Hey everyone, I'm Shailin here from cyberdefenders.co.za, your all things cyber guru, and I make sure outdated systems and software doesn't become your biggest security risk. Patch management is the process of keeping your systems, software, and applications updated with the latest security fixes. Skipping updates is like avoiding the dentist. Small issues can quietly turn into big ones. So how do we help? We start by identifying the missing patches, test updates to avoid disruptions, and we roll them out in a controlled way, keeping your business secure without breaking what already works. Because staying updated isn't just about performance, it's about protection. Ready to close the gaps in your system? Contact cyberdefenders.co.za today for a quote to see how our patch management systems can help keep your business up to date.